Create attention-grabbing titles and thumbnails. Craft titles that spark curiosity and thumbnails that stand out. Develop engaging and informative content. Produce high-quality, entertaining, and informative videos that resonate with your audience. Optimize your videos for YouTube's algorithm. Use relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to increase your video's visibility. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other platforms to reach a broader audience. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other YouTubers or influencers to expand your reach and build relationships. Encourage engagement and interaction. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. Utilize YouTube's features. Use cards, and screens, and annotations to add extra functionality and encourage viewers to explore more content. Consistency is key. Regularly upload videos to maintain a consistent schedule and keep your audience engaged. Analyze and adjust. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance, understand your audience, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Be authentic and unique. Stand out from the crowd by being true to yourself and offering a fresh perspective. Leverage trending topics and challenges. Capitalize on popular trends and challenges to increase your visibility. Offer value and solve problems. Create content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your viewers. Use eye-catching intros and outros. Create visually appealing intros and outros to brand your channel and make your videos memorable. Host giveaways and contests. Organize giveaways and contests to incentivize engagement and attract new viewers. Be patient and persistent. Viral success often requires time, effort, and perseverance. Remember, going viral is not a guaranteed outcome, but by following these tips, you can increase your chances of success and grow your YouTube channel.